Is it working? Okay. So, this is what we did when my dad and her mom drove my grandma to Tampa.
We kind of do worse things, but we figured this is the best we could put on video. Hi, Mom!
Hey, Dad. We will clean that kitchen.
Right after we're done.
Okay.
Woo! Good to
Wow.
go.
Yeah.
Start it over. No. Okay. So we're outside on her pool deck. And my neighbors are over there. And do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Holy tits! There's an Okay, maybe not anymore. Oh crap, it's dark. Hey, we're gonna do this. So, ready? We're standing out on my pool deck. There's people over there. We're gonna stare at them. We've been doing it all night. Let's do it again. Okay, 1, 2. There's a car coming by. Is there? Oh god. No, that way. Okay, go first. Go. Go. Holy shit, there's an elephant! So, we kind of just almost died. I think I was restarted. So, we kind of have to redo this. Yeah, that guy kind of scared the crap out of us. Stopped on the motorcycle and, like, turned around. No! No more cars! So, we're gonna go back outside now. We'll do this shit again. Take 7. 7. Yeah! Alright. We gotta do this quick. Take 7. Okay. Holy shit, there's an elephant! Is it recording? Yes. We're gonna do this. No, we're not. Not yet. 10. What if he comes back? Take 8. Okay. Holy shit, there's an elephant! Go. Light. Ooh, light. Where'd lights go? Ow! Look at the elephant. Okay, we're good.
So, how do you like them apples?
Yeah.
Woo!
So, just thought we'd inform you.
We're gonna try to make a little series
With
of
the trombone.
the elephant of Newport Richey.
Newport Richey.
Woo, Richey abort.
Yeah, it's gonna be Richey abort new.
That sounds like abort. We're aborting Richey. Oh my god, your dad be aborted.
Anyway, so just look forward to it.
Stay tuned and just, that sounded really gay because we're not a television place.